The ITS Power Zone is the home of power tools, with thousands of products in stock from Milwaukee, Makita, DeWalt and much more. And with the demand growing for the big three every day, we've been able to transform this and put it in the palm of your hand. The ITS Superstores are now live at its.co.uk. These are your new home of power tools. Featuring Milwaukee, Makita and DeWalt, this is everything that you've come to love in our branches, but now on our website. This doesn't just stop with power tools too. ITS is home to massive ranges of power tool accessories, storage, hand tools and much more. And all of this stock is coming straight from the ITS warehouse. We have engineered these superstores to show you exactly what you want. All of the tools you need from the top 3 brands. And it doesn't just stop there. We've got special offers, info on new and trending products and more. And if you're looking to revamp your kit, then check out the Cordless Kit Builder. This is the only way that you're going to be able to build your kit exactly how you want it. And with hundreds of products to browse through, you're guaranteed to spot something new. And with these superstores, you're not just getting the product, but you're getting the knowledge and the service too. We've been speaking with the trade every day for 40+ years, so we know exactly what you're after, which is why we have handy articles and videos covering everything that you need to know. That said, if you have more burning questions, we have experts on hand over the phone, or you can drop us a message on social media. And like I said, all of this is coming from the ITS warehouse, where you can order up until 7 PM and still receive your order the very next day to home or to site, and we'll even give you a 1-hour time slot so you won't be hanging about. So when you're looking for the ultimate service when stocking up on the big 3 and beyond, then look no further than the ITS Superstores. They are designed to give you all the tools you need to get the job done. All of this over at its.co.uk.